Hi, I'm Katie with WTI. Are you looking to elevate the look of your patio? Well, a great way of doing that is with an indoor-outdoor rug. This Nourison Positano rug has been a great fit for our family. I got it in the terracotta color. I really wanted to soften up the look of our concrete patio by bringing the cozy feel of indoors outside. So I wanted a nice, soft, comfortable rug. And that's what I got with this rug. It is indoor outdoor, so I know that it can be rained on and hold up just fine. As you can see, it rained this morning, so it's still wet, but it hasn't damaged it at all. It looks brand new still. This rug has done everything I needed it to do. I love the accent of the terracotta color. I love how soft it feels underneath my feet, so much better than the concrete. And the 8 by 10 size was just perfect. It covers over the cracks in our patio and even helps with the tripping hazard that we have. If you're looking for a quick, easy way to make your patio look just a little nicer, then do it with one of these Nourison rugs. And that's my point of view.